Hello everyone, this is our first video on this channel where I'm going to talk about NEET. We are going to upload the videos for NEET Biology plus grade 11th and 12th Bio both. So before starting, I'll be uploading a few videos which will give you a general idea about what NEET is. कुछ ऐसे बच्चे, the ones which are coming from grade 10th in grade 11th and are going to appear for NEET, or they have that aim to appear in NEET exams. So these are a few things which you should know about NEET. In this video, we'll talk about the most important pointers which a child who has just entered grade 11th with biology and has an aim to opt for NEET should know. Basically, the eligibility criteria. Very short video, please watch till the end. And subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed, because you are going to get and benefited a lot on the channel. Now we start. First of all, NEET, the full form is National Eligibility Entrance Test. Fine. So the full form for NEET would be National Eligibility Entrance Test. Now this is a test which a child who has passed out grade 12th with biology gives to get an admission in any of the medical colleges. और सिंपल सी लैंग्वेज में बोलूँ तो डॉक्टर बनने के लिए जो टेस्ट देते हैं दैट इज नीट एग्जामिनेशन, नेशनल एलिजिबिलिटी एंट्रेंस टेस्ट. कोई बहुत बड़ा टेस्ट नहीं है कि आप उसको क्वालिफाई नहीं कर सकते हो. यू कैन क्वालिफाई इट, बट यू हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग एंड यू हैव टू हैव दैट एम इन योर माइंड कि मुझे नीट क्रैक करना है. Fine. So eligibility criteria is very simple. I'll quickly take you through these pointers. Eligibility criteria में सबसे पहले before starting this I must tell you it is conducted by NTA, that is National Testing Agency, which generally conducts all the important competitive exams. जितने भी competitive exams होते हैं वो NTA conduct करता है, National Testing एजेंसी. अब इसके एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया में फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कि व्हाट आर द सब्जेक्ट्स व्हिच यू शुड हैव फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायोलॉजी एंड इफ नॉट बायोलॉजी इट शुड बी बायोटेक्नोलॉजी एंड प्लस इंग्लिश. So these are the subjects which are compulsory for you to pass in grade 12th in order to appear in NEET examination. After talking about the subjects, the next important thing is what is the percentage criteria. So what is the criteria of the marks which you should have got in 12th? 12th में कितने नंबर आने चाहिए कि आप NEET के एग्जाम में अपीयर कर सको. So 50% marks in 12th board exams for general category, and for reserved category it is 40% to 45% for reserved category. Fine. This is the percentage जो आपकी 12th में आनी चाहिए अगर आपको नीट के एग्जाम में अपीयर होना है. Then what is the age? What is the age for appearing? Age is 70 years and above. मैं above क्यों लिख रही हूँ? Because बाद की कोई एज नहीं है. आप 17 years के बाद, जब आप 17 years के हो जाएंगे उसके बाद आप जो है कितनी भी एज तक, मतलब इवन आई कैन गिव, सो कितनी भी एज तक यू कैन गिव योर नीट एग्जाम. देन दिस इज द एज क्राइटेरिया. नंबर ऑफ अटेम्प्ट्स मतलब आप नीट का एग्जाम, हाउ मेनी टाइम्स कैन यू गिव द नीट एग्जाम्स. सो अगर आपको नहीं पता है तो आई मस्ट टेल यू दैट पहले नीट का देयर वर ओनली 3 अटेम्प्ट्स, मतलब आप 3 बार नीट का एग्जाम दे सकते थे इफ यू वुड हैव क्वालिफाइड, ओके. अदरवाइज उसके बाद 4th टाइम आप नीट नहीं दे सकते थे. नाउ द नंबर ऑफ अटेम्प्ट्स आर लिमिटलेस. You can give NEET any multiple number of times you want to give. आप कितनी भी बार NEET दे सकते हो एग्जाम. Then something important, this is important for the ones who home school या फिर open school से जो 11th 12th करते हैं. The children who do their 12th from open school cannot give NEET exam. So in order to give your NEET exam, you have to pass out grade 12th from any school, open school या home school से आप NEET का या for that matter any engineering exams भी नहीं दे सकते. इसीलिए बच्चे जो है schools में they enroll themselves and take keep preparing for the NEET, and for passing out 12 they just need 50% marks. They get those 50% and then they prepare for NEET exams. So अगर आप open school से पढ़ रहे हैं, NEET is not for you. Either you change to a school or you forget NEET. So this is and one more important pointer, the ones which have any gap in their education, मतलब the droppers generally we talk about. जैसे 12th कर लिया, उसके बाद 1 साल का gap दिया, then can you? Yes, you can appear after a gap in your this 1 year gap, 2 year gap. You can give NEET after gaps in your after 12th. Fine, if you give a gap for preparing. The test is there. Test के बाद counseling होता है. On the basis of your cutoff list, counseling is there, and then you get admission in medical colleges wherein you can start your further studies. NEET exam देने के बाद there are 3 categories which you generally get in. That is MBBS, BDS and BAMS. So these are the 3 categories of basically the doctors. MBBS are the ones which generally deal in allopathy. BDS are the ones which are dentists, and BAMS are the ones which deal in Ayurveda, which are the ones who are Ayurvedacharyas. We have homeopathy also, that also comes under this. So that all depends on your cut-off list, जिसके बारे में we will talk in our next video. In our next video, I'll give you a brief idea about 2021 में जो NEET का एग्जाम होने वाला है, उसके क्या इंपॉर्टेंट डेट्स हैं, what are the important dates, कब होना है एग्जाम, उसके डेट्स, उसका पेमेंट मोड एंड ऑल. Your form has already been filled, so that I will not be discussing, but we'll take up all the important dates, all the important pointers which you need to know about the NEET. So keep watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. Thank you.